What is happening, you guys? It's your guy Batch Gloopy here with another update on the Corvette. So today I bit off more than I could chew again, and I have decided to do the quarter panels. So some of you guys are wondering why the hell I'm doing the quarter panels. This is the new one. This is the old one. Let me show you. Let me get this light here. So, switching out the quarter panels because I don't know if you can see all these scratches. They're everywhere. This is the new one, and there's no scratches. That's what happens when you find a wrecked one. So they're easier to just replace the panels than they are to paint the panels. So let me show you how I did it. Alright, I don't know if it's picking up on the video, but there's like scratches all over the quarter panels. It actually looks like somebody's dog. I don't know if the light's helping or not. Yeah, you can see it there. It's like the dude's dog just jumped all over the son of a bitch. So I found a wrecked one in Florida, and as you can see, it's pretty cherry. So I thought it was a hell of a lot easier to just swap them out. God dang it, now I'm getting sidetracked with the cord wrapped up in there. But anyway, it was easier to swap them out than it was to repaint them. So I'll show you how I did it real quick. So let me put okay, so you can see okay, so on the old one you could see with the convertible top portion right here, there's two screws. One right here in the corner, and then there was, oh no, there's three. That's right, 1, 2, 3 is what that was. So one of them was already busted. Let's be honest, I probably busted it. Just saying, it happens. And then on the inside of the door panel, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, I thought. Yeah, there's one up here too. So them are the easy ones. Then you get to the hard ones, which there's none in the wheel well, but there are some on the back side right here. So there's 2 at the bottom, and then there's there's 6 total. Let me get rid of this and I'll just show you. Okay, so in order to get these, a lot of people say take out this inner wheel well. I disagree. What I found it, I don't have like super crazy big arms or whatever, but what I did is I took this out, which you have to anyway. You take this turn signal out, there's a couple way up in here. Let me see if I can get my light back over here. So that metal rib right to the side, which is right here, that's where everything bolts up. It's hard to see. So anyway, you got to stick your hand in there anyway to get on the back side of these nuts right there. Well, what I did is when your hand's stuck in here, I just reached around and unscrewed those, and then I reached way down and I got those. It's a pain in the ass because the passenger side, you have to take out the antenna. So sorry I'm mumbling around. It's just super hot in this garage now. The last video I was bitching about the cold weather, and now I'm bitching about the warm weather. I don't know. But anyway, the driver's side, same deal. Stick my hand in there, reached around, did 2, 4, 6 screws, 2 nuts and 4 bolts, and then there's some up here, some under here that it's all easy to get to. Some in the door jamb again. I think there's 4. And what threw me for a loop is there's one inside the gas lid. So when it's all opened up like this, you gotta like reach back in and grab it. So anyway, I hope this helps. I couldn't really find anybody doing a convertible on there, taking the quarters off and explaining how to do it. Everything is a T15, an 8mm, and a 10mm bolt or wrench. So I used sockets. I used in the taillight, there's two 8mm bolts, and then the rest are 10mm, and then all the Torx head screws are just T15s. I swear to God, this car is held together by a T15. I mean, everything is. You see, I don't know if I'll have it uploaded yet or not, but you should. The whole front end got crashed, and that's where I got these quarter panels from. All the fenders are T15 and a 7mm. The hood is a 1/2-inch bolt, and then the whole bumper is in push pins and a T15. It's crazy, but anyway, I'm gonna get these quarter panels on, and then we'll go from there. Swear to God, they made the longest bolts ever for these. They're huge. You know how big this damn thing is. Just for that. The driver's side is way easier because you don't have to deal with that damn antenna. Because that antenna, you unbolt it. I'll show you when I get it bolted back up, and then you guys will understand what I'm talking about. It's the power antenna. When you unbolt it, you got to leave it in there because it won't fit out the hole without moving the bumper out of the way. Anyway, I'll finish up the bolting it up, but that's pretty much the gist of it. Way easier than painting it. I'll come back when it's all done.